Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Yo, I got this car right here. This thing was 25 bucks, y'all. I actually found this thing for even cheaper, for $20. Both places that I bought this thing from is on AliExpress, and I did get 2 more of these ordered. Different models, they're on their way. I will do a full review when the other ones get here, but right now I'm about to mod this little guy. And so this back here, I have one of my little diatone SNT crawlers, and it broke, and so I'm trying to utilize the parts. And let me bring one out that's together so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so these little cars, y'all, they come with built-in little ports right here to put the cameras in. This is 2 here. Check it out. This is what I'm talking about. It comes with 2 of these spots, so you can drop a camera here, or you can drop the camera in the back for a different perspective in your FPV feed. And so this guy right here broke, and so I'm going to utilize those little camera ports. Here's one right here. I already removed the other one, and it's here underneath this thing. That makes it really easy to FPV these little vehicles and stuff. So I'm planning to FPV this one, y'all. I'm trying to debate. I'm trying to think, do I want to put the camera here, or do I want to put the camera back there? Decisions. If I put the camera back here, y'all, it's going to be sitting like that. So pretty interesting perspective, I think. If I do some sliding around corners and stuff, it'll seem like the swing is a little more pronounced. And if I put it right here, it seems like it'll be a little more balanced. Probably easier to drift around corners and stuff. I think I'm going to go with the top right here on this one. I can always go back and get another one and put it right there, right? So let's get it. First, let's get this thing open, y'all. We got a screw right here, right there, and one in the back there. I probably didn't have to remove that splitter, but I'm doing it anyway. Oh man, the screw popped right off of the darn table here. Luckily, I found it. That side, so it don't try to escape like the other one did. We're gonna pull it back. So here's the top right here. We're gonna just drill a hole right here in this top, and we gotta find a spot here. I believe it's gonna be here that we're gonna, I can't remember if the hot wire is on the end or in the second pin. Okay, y'all, so what I'm gonna do to test it is this. I have this little tester right here. I'm gonna plug this in there. Then we have 2 wires here. I'm gonna turn this on, and then we're gonna test to see how we're supposed to wire this thing up. So it's not that way. So I'm thinking it's this way here. Yup, there we go right there. So we got full battery. And so the hot wire is the second wire right there. So let's get it. Right there. Put some glue on there to protect the bond and everything a little bit. Got a little hole drill there. Glue this guy on top. Let's put this guy back together and get it, y'all. So as you guys can see, this thing is loads of fun driving it FPV like this. It handles really well. These rugs here that I'm driving on, this carpet here, is a very short haired rug, and so not too much friction for these little tires. These are not the rubber tires, these are actually the drift tires, and so this thing goes pretty good. I was surprised at how well it went on these rugs with these tires here, the drift tires. And you just can't do jumps with it. I figured it took me about 2 jumps to figure that out, that every time you jump, the camera is not tight enough. This magnetic connection is not tight enough for you to do jumps off of ramps. So you're just going to be doing FPV with this guy like this, no jumps. And anytime that you crash hard, you have the risk of the camera flying off of it. And so pretty awesome little mod though. I can't wait till the other little cars get here. The other models, I'll do a full review, so you guys can look forward to that. The full review of this car here coming out. There are 4 models. I only got 3 of the models though. More details when the video comes up. Awesome little car, I can tell you that. I love this one. Can't wait till the other ones arrive again. Thanks for watching.